Hi, this is Sahil, and in this video I'll be comparing the two apps Evernote and Notion. With the pandemic going on and as well as our online classes, you may want to take notes digitally and give a break to your pen and paper. There are two great apps by which you can do so. The granddad of note-taking app is Evernote, which came out in 2008, and the newbie is Notion, which came out in 2018. I'll be talking about these two only as these are the most famous, but there are other as well like OneNote, Google Keep, and many more. Personally, I use Evernote for all my note taking for online classes and if I get any project. Recently, I got a project from my branch and I used Evernote for it. Since you can write text on it as well as add PDF files or images which you find on internet. And then there is Notion, which I have discovered recently, which I use only for YouTube. So as you can see, this is what Evernote looks like in desktop, and I have few of the notes here which are from my classes and other things, and this was the project I was talking about which I was given. So it becomes very easy for you to study, that you can take all your web clips, images, PDFs in one place, and also it becomes easy for you to study knowing that all the things are here. So this is how I made my PPT from this document. Now you can add here PDFs, images, audio clips, and you can also style your text like I have, like bold it, unbold it, and increase its size, and do whatever you want to do. Also, it has other features such as making a meeting note, to-do list, a weekly planner, a project plan, and many other. And you can make your favorites. Also, you can add text to your document like this is my exploratory project, so I am gonna write explore. So I'm gonna write explore. Like this is my exploratory project, so I'm gonna write explore and give it this tag. And also what else is there, like thermal shock, so I'm gonna add a thermal shock tag to it. So later on when I'm searching for this note, I can search in this tag. See, so it becomes very easy using this app, and you can like increase, and it becomes very easy and you can use it very well. Now I'm gonna show you Notion. So this is what Notion looks like, and you get here like pretty awesome stuff here, like you can get a template for you, and there are a lot of templates available. Honestly, I have not used it much, and I use it just for tracking my videos, what I'm going to do. I have 7 8 topics written down here which are not started and in progress and incomplete. So this is how I use Notion. Now if you are a student and you want to take your notes digitally and there's a teacher teaching you on your screen, then you can take screenshots. Like I take screenshots by pressing Windows Alt plus print screen together simultaneously, then the screenshot is taken, and you can add those snapshots in your text document here. Like I have added, you can take the screenshot and add it here on the note, like I have added these pictures, so that when you study for the next time, all the things that have been taught in the class remains with you. Now both the apps Evernote and Notion works across all the operating systems like Android, iOS, Windows and macOS. So there is not much difference. Now coming to the pricing, both the apps Evernote and Notion, the free version of these apps works perfectly fine for me. Also make sure to like this video and comment down below which app do you find more suitable for taking notes. I use Evernote more since I am using it from very long, and Notion is pretty new for me. So the templates feature and other feature of Notion makes it a great option as well. That's it for this video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.